Hello viewers, welcome to Sandra's Kitchen. Please use the red button below to subscribe to my YouTube channel. After watching this interesting video, let's go.
We start. First, we have 4 ingredients to make ice cream. We have the vanilla extract, we have salt, the condensed milk, that's the sweetening, and 500 ml cream milk, 38%. The first step is to take the condensed milk, open it and scoop it into a bowl by using the spoon. You scoop it out into the bowl because the ice cream, the condensed milk is very thick. So you need a spoon to scoop everything out. You do it carefully. Then, after scooping the condensed milk out, the condensed milk is about 395 gram Nestum condensed milk. That is what I'm using. You take your vanilla extract. Now we have 2 types of vanilla, but I'm using the vanilla extract, the one that have been extracted already, the liquid form. You pour it into the condensed milk and stir it. You stir it properly until you have a single mixture. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. You stir it gently until you have a single mixture. Then you add a pinch of salt here. Then you keep stirring. You stir it and stir. You stir it for a while. Now the essence of using vanilla extract is that in place of the raw vanilla is that it is very easy to mix because we are not doing ice creams. We don't need to heat it in the fire. We're not making that kind of ice cream that you need to heat in the fire. So that's why we're using vanilla extract. The next step is to take your cream milk, you open it and pour it into the bowl. Now I'm using a pot, iron pot. Perhaps. Pour it out. Gently pour it out into the pot. Then using your hand mixer, you mix it. You are going to mix it until you have a sticky texture. Until it becomes sticky, that is when you know that yes, it is okay. Now, the only way to know that it is okay is that when you raise up the hand mixer and it comes out so easily, that means it's not yet thick. You can see this, like this is not yet thick. You need to stir it more and more. You stir it. You see, it's not yet thick. So you stir it again. A little bit more to make it more thick. Now you can see it's okay. But we need to stir it little. I just wanted to have a very thick ice cream. So you can see it's okay. Now I take the next thing to do is to scoop in the condensed milk into the creamed milk. Then I'm going to scoop in the condensed milk containing the vanilla extract into the cream milk bit by bit. Then after scooping it, you stir it. You can see now I've scooped it in and I'm stirring it gently. You stir it gently. Stir it gently, bit by bit. You stir it gently. You don't need to be very, very hard on it. You stir it gently. Then you scoop in again the condensed milk You can see I'm doing it bit by bit. I didn't scoop all the condensed milk in. I'm still putting it in bit by bit. So you stir it. You keep stirring, you stir it. You stir it. Then I put, for the last time, I add up the condensed milk. Mind you, I'm using 500 ml of cream milk to 395 condensed milk. That is 295 gram condensed milk. It all depends. If you want it to be very sweetening, more sweet, you can use more. But if you want it not to be so sweet, you can use this quantity, is just okay. 500 ml condensed milk to 395 gram, 500 ml cream milk to 395 gram condensed milk. Now you can see it is okay now. So I'm going to turn the whole ice cream into a bowl. This is a cake pan I'm using. I just improvise it. Then I put a cellophane on it. Then I'm going to turn it directly on the cellophane. That's in the tin. Let's put everything into it. Just put it in. Carefully put everything into it. Turn it. So we put it in the freezer for a couple of about 6 to 8 hours. You just have to cover it this way. Then you take it to the freezer and put it there. Allow it to be there for 6 to 8 hours. There. So this is how you make your vanilla ice cream. Now it is set. You can see now it's already frozen. The ice cream is frozen, ready to be consumed. This is the easy way to make vanilla ice cream. It is very easy, that it doesn't take up to 10, let's say in the next 15 minutes you're done with the mixture. Then you just put them in the freezer. So you can see it's very yummy.